Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May the 13th, and today is the day that the Blue Angels are scheduled to fly over Austin. It starts at 3:40 and it's currently 3:36. It's going to start at the top of Austin and then kind of crisscross over downtown. We still probably have about 15-20 minutes before they get here, but super excited.
Sitting in the park waiting for them.
It is a beautiful day. So it rained yesterday, so it's kind of humid today, but we have a nice cool breeze. We have sun shining. We have a view of downtown. We're just excited to see this. But after it's over with, we're gonna kind of have to hurry home because we're gonna get dinner done, and then I have to go to work at 8 p.m. tonight. We'll show you the Blue Angels right now.
We are downtown. We're gonna go around a couple of different sites. The state capital of Texas is right behind us, and Travis is gonna fly his drone over there. There is a whole bunch of birds that are circling the top dome there, and he's worried because we had a little event when we were at Lake Travis last week where the birds started darting towards the drone. So
we're gonna go out in the city tonight. We might even rent some scooters and kind of scooter around the city. It's something we've done a lot in the daylight since all of this has started, but we haven't gone out and had like a nighttime stroll through downtown. So that was our object for tonight. We did a little bit of drone flying earlier in the day, so I will probably insert some of that in here as well. But yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the night. It's beautiful out.
since I'm on a leave right now from work, I'm not flying, so we are trying to be creative with what videos and what content we can put out. And it's not just us. A lot of other YouTube channels we follow, they're having the same kind of problem.
Yeah.
So we're trying to put out good content, but we are trying to be creative as well. So we're gonna just have an adventurous night. And
yeah, but so up until, what is today? Today's Sunday. So up until Friday, Ryan was in a cast. So he was only mobile via crutches or a scooter. But now he is out of a cast and in a boot. So he is actually able to like get around, walk. We actually probably overexerted ourselves today, but we actually went on a hike today up off Highway 360, kind of up in the hills. So we did a nice little hike today. It was nice, but we took necessary precautions as far as his foot goes. But now that it's cooled off and it's a beautiful evening, we're gonna get on some scooters and check out the city.